Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing 1 to 3 precise target keywords per page and mapping their search intent because relevance drives rankings. Once done, make sure your site loads fast under 3 seconds and that mobile-first design plus HTTPS are in place. Crawling and indexing follow. Install Analytics in Google Search Console now, submit a sitemap, and check robots. TXT. This lets you measure traffic and detect indexing issues. These first steps set the data-driven foundation for optimization and testing. Now you move into on-page and technical execution. Rewrite title tags, meta descriptions, H1s, and clean URLs to include the primary keyword, because clarity boosts CTR and relevance. Once done, implement schema markup and canonical tags to avoid duplicates and add hreflang if multilingual. Improve internal linking and use descriptive anchor text to pass relevance. Make images compressed and lazy-loaded. Fix 4XX and 5XX errors, and audit structured data. These technical fixes maintain crawl efficiency and enhance rich result opportunities. Finally, publish and closely monitor outcomes. Track rankings, organic sessions, and CTR daily to weekly, because early signals tell you if adjustments work. Continue link building with relevant, authoritative sites and run regular backlink audits. Disavow toxic links when needed. If metrics drop, first check Search Console index coverage and recent site changes, then run fetch as bot and inspect server logs to see crawl issues. One key troubleshooting tip: revert recent changes in a staging rollback to isolate the cause before broad edits.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.